Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Junaid Sarkar. I'm studying in MSc in Software Engineering at Daffodil International University. Today I am presenting uh, the topic of secure and efficient transmission of database on Caesar Cipher Algorithm for Sybil attack in lot. This course code is SWE682, and my course name is Cryptography and Network Security. My section is A, and I submitted this presentation to Honorable Mr. Marvasan Sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Software Engineering, Daffodil International University. Now going to the main key point, abstract. The use of the traditional Caesar Cipher algorithm along with the lightweight encryption algorithm LEA and the receive signal strength indicator to detect and prevent civil attack in an lot environment. The proposed algorithm detects the false node in a particular path by announcing the attack to another node. It also prevents the attack by choosing an alternative path by which to forward data packets to the described users. To ensure authentication, privacy, and data integrity, the lightweight encryption algorithm with a 64-bit key is used with adopt the routing protocol. Then the point is object. The end user can access the information through web on mobile devices from anywhere in the world through the internet. When data is being transmitted in a wireless medium, this is a chance to that routing attacks such as black hole attacks, gray hole attacks, and civil attacks will take place. In a black hole attacks, the attacker node publishes as if the discrete destination node has the shortest route and then collects the packet without redirecting them to the target node. Grey hole attack is a variation of black hole attacks in which selected packets are forwarded to the destination of remaining packets are dropped without being sent to the destination. Sybil attack is one of the most dangerous type of routing attacks. In a Sybil attack, a malicious or attacks node will create many fake identification to affect the overall network performance. Several nodes are capable of generating false reports, spamming users with messages, and causing balance in privacy. Several attacks in and lot-based pattern monitoring system. Several attack is a lot environment. The small red nodes represent several nodes or malicious node, and the green nodes are normal node. All the nodes are interconnected with the another during data transmission from one normal node to another. I from patient to the doctor or vice versa via a normal node. Data reaches its destination without any loss of integrity. However, if the data is transmitted via a civil node, then the data is subjected to incorrect report generation, less or spam or be misinterpreted. So at here we can see the picture of the that local area, local service provider, and the honest node, civil node, wireless communication. This total picture name is civil attack, and another key point is methodology. And methodology, we see the system architecture. The value are sent to the doctor via wireless communication technologies such as Wi-Fi. During data transmission, the data can be subjected to a civil attack. Attackers can access the data and inject spam or alert message, which would lead to harm to or even the death of the patient. For example, the system could be set up such as the doctor to is notified when the patient body temperature is at 100 degree. But if attacks drop the packets or send them to the wrong person, then the doctor will not be notified about the patient health condition, which could lead to several problems. Caesar Cipher method. This another method. This method is a variation of the receive signal strength indicator that's called RSSI, and the lightweight encryption algorithm using the Adobe routing protocol. So this in this picture we see the figure of system architecture. How actually system architecture work. At there we see the PT to the P4 and it's going to the P2 and P6 and then last one is P3. This is a circle L procedures and the process of RSSI Leah Adobe is given as below. At first, a set of sensor node is considered and deployed randomly. Second, initial information about the network is identified such as the positional of the sensor nodes, the distance between the sensor node, the residual energy and the received signal strength of each sensor. Third is based on the received signal strength, the Sybil nodes are detected and these nodes are added to the Sybil node list. Then the information is transferred to the other lightweight nodes. Fourth is the confidentiality over the network is made by the Caesar Cipher algorithm along with the lightweight encryption algorithm. The encrypted data is transferred through the network by Adobe routing. The Adobe routing is optimized by focusing on distance and energy value. Okay, the sixth point is the Savile node are avoided in Adobe routing while generating the route from one node to another. Seventh point is the node that has less energy is not considered in the Adobe routing generation. If it happens, Adobe once again create the route from the source to the destination. The eighth point is the data packets are transferred to the destination. Ninth point is this process is continued until the full iteration count is reached. And finally, the performance is analyzed term of available nodes, did nodes, energy consumption, throughput, and total packet sent. Result and discussion. So it is a big important point of this presentation. The RSSI Leah adopt method has been simulated by using MetaLab 2017. In the RSSI Leah adopt method, RSSI based Sybil detection is used for detecting the Sybil nodes, and the adopt routing approach is adopted to create a route between the source and the destination. Table 1 display the simulation parameters used in the RSI laid-up method. It is compared with the network in the presence of a civil attack to understand the result of the RSI layer adopt method. Parameters and value, the network size and the sensor, initial energy of sensor model, number of iteration, communication range of each node, uh, epsilon r, epsilon a, packing size, message size, that's 200 bits, This information is given one by one at here. Let's call the value. So this picture is totally say the performance parameters that are analyzed in the system and described as follows. So the alive nodes, we can see the picture wave and picture 2. Picture we published the total number of rounds, that's number of the alive nodes, and finally the picture is published at here, that's the loss of the network without a Sybil attack, and B is performance compression of the alive nodes. Okay, then the problem statement. The effective detection of the civil nodes that are the network is made by the receive signal strength. The add-up routing protocol is used to electing the optimal route, and this route is optimized by the distance from one node to another and each node residual energy. Adobe is also used to preventing the network from beginning harm by the Sybil node by broadcasting information about the Sybil node to the all legitimate nodes. The confidence of the shared information is improved with the help of CCA with the layer. For more other information, this type of cyber detection and secure data transmission is used in application in the real time world. For example, here is the network is considered a hospital environment and each patient comprises one node for transmitting information about the patient. Conclusion: RSI-based symbol detection is used for detecting the civil node, those that create the civil attack. The detection of the civil node depends on the received signal strength of each node. If the RSI of node goes beyond a certain household level, that node is added to the civil node list. The lightweight encryption method is used for sending the data from one node to another to improve confidentiality. The add-up routing protocol is utilized for creating the optimal routing from node to another. The add-up routing protocol is optimized by two parameters, the energy of each sensor node and the distance between the sensor node. The data, which is encrypted by CCA with a layer, is transmitted via the route of Adobe. The civil nodes are avoided during the established of the route from node to another node. By avoiding the civil node of the network, the communication amongst the sensor nodes occurs probably. The performance of the system is analyzed by the network with the figure 15 packet loss of the network without a civil attack. Performance communication compression of the packet loss. Toolbar and Eurosip channel of advanced signal processing. Several attack based on the compression, we conclude the RSI lead method providing effective performance when the network is under a civil attack. Significance of the paper weakness. The performance of the civil attack detection can be improved by using SBM or any other optimization method. These civil nodes will be avoided while transmitting data. Indeed, the civil attack detection and prevention is useful in healthcare system, like when a patient health condition change suddenly beyond the specified range, the system will alert the doctor. Focus scope involves cost-effective and efficient civil attack detection. Performance can be improved by using SBM or any other optimization method. These civil nodes will prevent it while transmitting the data. So thank you very much for watching this video. Mm, and I closing my presentation at here. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.